In this video, I will show you how to create unique QR code using AI. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Go to QR code AI generator, then paste your link, then write your style or design, then increase your quality, then scroll down, then click on run. Now you can see the mountain design at the background of your QR code. So scroll up, then click on download. This much for today. Until next video, bye bye. See you on next video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.